You ain't messing with the flow, you ain't messing with my vision. Messing with the money, you ain't messing with decisions. Yeah, you messing with the team, then you messing with the squad. Mess with one of us, you be messing with them all. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey, how you doing? So this video is gonna be about me going to Barcelona. So yeah, Barcelona was great. I'm gonna tell you guys the main reasons why I love Barcelona. First, it is a party city. The place is so lively. I stayed in a hostel called Kabul Hostel. It's a party hostel, and I met tons of great people there. Like everyone I met, they were so wonderful. And we managed to go to the cable car, visit around Barcelona together, and yeah, created like new adventures with those people that we met, and it was just like we just instantly clicked with them. It was really amazing. So we are in the subway going to...
Hi.
Yes. Hi. Where are we going? The cable cart.
The cable car.
Yes.
Turning up like that. Yes.
So we are at
The cable car.
the cable car.
Let's go.
Yes. Ben, are you okay?
Oh my god.
So beautiful. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa, man. Oh my god.
So take away your phone.
Oh, this is the best song.
It's not your last night there.
I hopped on a plane at LAX with a dream in my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame excess. Whoa, am I gonna fit in? Hopped in a plane.
Naomi and I, we spent like a girls' night out with some other girls that we met. We went to a fountain show. I don't know if I have the footages, but if I do, I'll share it in the video. This is the Pigeon Valley, guys. Francisco!
Hello! Hola! Hola!
After that, we went to iToppers, and there's an iToppers in Playa de Catalunya. And near El Raval, which is near our hostel. So, yeah, it's like a buffet where you can eat as many tapas as you like, which is pretty cool. I think it was starting at 13 euros. Strangely, I remember the prices, but I can't remember the name of the places. I think it's just like a numbers thing. It's not the Sagrada Familia. It's not it. It's bigger. Sagrada Familia is way bigger. Magnificent. Just enjoying our last day in Barcelona. Barcelona is a place to be. It's a lively city. The food is great. The food is also very cheap. We stayed in El Raval, near El Raval. And yeah, there's like tons of restaurants at a really cheap price. I think I forgot to mention that, but one of the places that I would also recommend, mostly, is La Meca de la Buqueria. And basically it's near El Raval as well. If you don't want to eat like a lot of food and you just want to munch around, just eat like little snacks and stuff, you guys can go there. There's like tons of empanada. There's jamón y queso. I don't know if I have pictures of that. Probably somewhere in the footages. Not sure if I took any pictures. Anyways, there's also like tons of fresh juices. Like I would just walk to the market and just get myself like a fresh juice. And my personal favorite was papaya y coco, and it was like a nice creamy consistency. So good. Another great place as well. It's Mouse, and basically it's this falafel place. It's also all you can eat. I don't know what is up in Barcelona, and it's all you can eat stuff, but it is really good. I'm loving it. Something that's really cool as well is Barcelona has their special kind of ice cream. I think it's called Crema de Catalunya. I don't know. I'm just gonna write it down if I got it wrong. Cause yeah, but it's also one of Barcelona's own ice cream. You guys should taste it. It's really good. The last day I spent in Barcelona, we were basically looking for a place to eat, and most of the time when you're in a group, it is always hard for people to find what they want to eat, especially if it's all girls. But thankfully it wasn't all girls. Like, I had a previous experience where we had to look for food and we were all girls, and we ended up not having breakfast and ended up having lunch instead because it took us so long to figure out what we wanted to eat. But yeah, I'm not gonna get into that. Back to the story in Barcelona. So I was just walking around and then I came across this sign and it said like, okay, pasta starting at $6.99. So I'm like, oh, that's cheap pasta. I love pasta and it's like really cheap. So I'm like, okay, I'm down for that. So I told the guys like, okay, yeah, we should probably check out that place. And yeah, everyone was down for it. So I'm like, thank God. The pasta is fresh. The pasta is cheap, and you can build your own pasta. So you can choose what pasta you like, what sauce, what you want to put in your pasta. Basically, it's like a Subway, but for pasta, and it's cheap. I would definitely recommend that for you guys. And the reason why it's like so special because I looked for it all over, I couldn't find it, and I said, okay, I'm going to Madrid soon, so I'm like, okay, probably it's gonna be there. But then I looked for it and it wasn't there. I was like, Madrid is the capital, why is it not there? So I'm like, oh, it's pretty sad. So that would also be one of my motives to go back to Barcelona, just because of that restaurant. It's like really good. This is our official last day in Barcelona, and we're at this amazing pasta place. Looks really nice. Oh, hey guys, what's up? How's the pasta?
Really good.
Really good? Oh my god, yeah. I also had like this idea about maybe doing like a food adventure for my next vlog in Madrid. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to be serious about it, but if I am serious about it, then I'll be making a video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog video, not sure what to call it, and see you guys next time. Bye!